These are collapsible hardwall barriers. They're designed to be modular so you can attach them together to segment off part of the room. Just to note, you can order them to come with a laser viewing window. That's something that's interesting to you. Okay, so now to attach them, you simply unfold. I'm going to lock the wheel so it locks into place. Actually, I'm going to leave this unlocked and I'm going to show you how you can easily make a door. So bring them together, slide them together. It will come with a barrier connector, one for the top, one for the bottom. I'm just going to come down, pop that into place. Come to the top. You have your left segment of the room segmented off. Show you how you can use one of the panels as a door. Have it pop these off. And you can separate. That's our laser collapsible barrier system.